Good morning and welcome to today's vlog. All right, the older two kids just left for a hike with my sister and the house really needs a reset. I mean, it just kind of happens on vacation. Like laundry needs to be done. Kids were playing games, so I want to just do a little tidy up while it is just me and Hay here. Hay's chilling right now in there. So yeah, let's get to cleaning and hopefully get some motivation from it today too. So yeah, let's kick the day off with some cleaning motivation. Hopefully you get some cleaning motivation from it today too. For me, I just like starting off with everything nice and clean because then I feel like I can be more relaxed and have fun for the rest of the day.
Put 'em in the sky, raise your hands. We ain't got no worries, only plans to make everybody dance, 'cause we can. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. I know I do. In a sunlit state of mind.
I'm definitely a little OCD. I like everything to be cleaned up. It just makes me more calm and more of a laid back mama for the rest of the day if our space is cleaned up. Does anybody else get like that too?
Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a sunlit state of mind.
And since my sister was visiting for the week, it was a little easier to clean on this morning since the older kids were hiking with her. All right, they told me they just got to the top of the pillbox, so we're gonna, oh, they're waving. Yay, aw. Way up there. So cool. And I've heard that you're more likely to become a millionaire if you make your bed every morning, so let's make these beds.
I met you, honey. Working on my daydreams. Down bed wishing you'd come and save me. If only I'd have a time machine back then, I'd see us dancing in the kitchen night. No one thought we could ever make it. Didn't know time could move so fast. 10 years later and I'm still your baby. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about
I also had some laundry I wanted to fold and put away because we had such a busy week planned with my sister. We did so many cool things. Some hikes, ate a ton of good food, lots of beach time, some cliff jumping, some sunrises. It was just really nice to have her here and show her my favorite places on Oahu.
summer 15.
And I'm gonna make my Magna. I drink 2 of these every single day. I usually always like to have one in the morning, especially if I'm doing any kind of a workout, or if I know I'm gonna be on my feet kind of chasing after the kids, cleaning, anything like that. And then I always have one then in the afternoon too, because you're supposed to have 2 servings a day to ensure that you're getting an adequate amount of magnesium. So give it a little shake. And just a huge thank you to Magna for sponsoring today's video. I started drinking this because I realized I was probably suffering from a magnesium deficiency. I was still feeling really tired, even if I got 8 hours of sleep. And fun fact, 75% of people are actually magnesium deficient, but magnesium is so important because it's behind over 600 different functions of your body, like lowering your blood pressure, reducing cortisol, speeding up recovery after a workout, reducing cramping. It is especially for that reason, I feel like, really important for women. And I will say, when it's that time of the month, I always have horrible cramps. But I feel like drinking Magna, I've noticed an improvement in that as well, but especially in my energy, because it has 3 different types of electrolytes, one for focus, one for energy, and one for recovery. And then it also has vitamins B6 and B12 for, again, more natural energy. There's no caffeine, there's 0 sugar, there's lower sodium. So again, I just love it because not only does it taste amazing, again, the watermelon lime flavor and the blood orange are the 2 I've really been loving lately, but there's a ton of different flavors that you can try. I just love the natural energy and how much better I feel since drinking Magna twice a day. So check out Magna to stay hydrated this summer. I'm gonna have a QR code here on the screen, as well as a link down in my description box below, or you can go to drinkmagna.com and be sure to use my code Brianna K for 15% off. And thank you again to Magna for sponsoring today's video. We stopped at Nalo to grab some bowls.
Aiden, what you drinking?
For breakfast.
I got a little smoothie bowl. It's a Queen's bowl. Hayden, what'd you get? Peanut butter smoothie. He got the monkey smoothie. You are a little monkey. What'd you get?
Moana bowl.
Yum, that looks good.
That looks really good. Presley, did you get a strawberry smoothie?
Strawberry banana smoothie.
Nice. Sandwich is good?
Then we took a quick peek in the art gallery next door.
For granted, why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know. I want you near with the same.
Got ready for the beach.
The sign next to you, no wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. I'ma say every day you got me.
And now we go beach. It was the perfect day.
Dark, all we got is tonight. So can you call? 'Cause nobody knows how far we go. I want you near with the same point of view.
And I'm seriously so glad I took my hair extensions out for this trip, because it has made getting in the pool and the water so much easier. It would take me an hour to wash and blow dry my hair when it was long with the extensions, like by the time you style it and everything like that. And now I blow dry and style my hair in about 10 minutes, and it's amazing.
Oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Want you to know the silence so loud. I'm running out of patience. I need your love, babe. I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth?
What are you doing?
I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, be honest, tell me.
But it was so fun having Kaylee and her husband Spencer here. They were so great with the kids, building sandcastles, packing extra beach snacks for them, and I was just soaking in all the family time.
Aiden, you want some watermelon?
Yes, yummy.
Is watermelon your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm,
So good?
watermelon.
Then we came back home to shower.
I know everybody always asks about outfit details. So this is one of the everyday soft, basically like sets from Target. So it's like the top and then the biker shorts, and it's in like the sage green color, but I love these. They are so soft, and especially when it's hot out, it's like the perfect thing just for being around the house or when I go for walks and work out and stuff like that here.
My sister went with her friend who also lives here to dinner, so I took the kids to Whole Foods to pick up some dinner for them. We decided to have a little beach picnic. And sorry I didn't film any of our food, but Hayden got macaroni and cheese from the hot bar. The older two kids each got salads from the salad bar, and I just heated up some leftover hibachi, and it just all tastes so much better on the beach with this view. I feel so lucky that we got to spend a month here.
Only then I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away.
But thank you so much for watching today's vlog. Make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you don't miss the next video. Thanks, love.
Look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.